The Helmholtz Pioneer Campus is an innovator and accelerator track for technology-driven talents that can leverage the networks and expertise here at the Helmholtz Center Munich. From the inauguration of the Pioneer Campus in 2017, we have been able to recruit a fantastic lot of scientists and talents from throughout the globe. The last 2 years have been in particular characterized by their deliveries. So they have published fantastic papers, impactful papers. They have also filed first patents and start thinking about building their own businesses.
To realize the foundational idea for a cross-disciplinary scientific accelerator here at Helmholtz Munich, we needed to build a physical space where our teams can engage, collaborate, and engineer the future of health worldwide. The planning phase started 2017, the foundations were laid 2019, and the building was officially opened in summer 2023. When designing the building, we opted to go for the Bavarian rhombus. The building has 1,500 square meter lab space and 2,300 square meters office space. At peak, 20 research teams with 200 scientists from all over the world will be working at the same time under the same roof.
My name is Jana Nabut. I'm a principal investigator here at Helmholtz Pioneer Campus. Asthma, cystic fibrosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease are major killers worldwide. It's the third most common cause of death. We're trying to understand if there are some avenues that haven't been studied yet, and we think that's mechanics that has traditionally been ignored in most biological research, and we think that new treatments could be targeted.
I'm Paolo Casale. The ultimate goal of our research is to identify early biomarkers of age-related diseases and candidate gene targets.
My name is Nicolas Batish. Our goal is to understand how human cells make decisions during differentiation and how these decisions are taken at the genome-wide level and in the interactions within the spatial context of the nucleus. And understanding the mechanisms of it will help us understand complex diseases, for example, different types of cancer.
So I'm Marion Jasnin. My group is interested in revealing actin architecture inside the cell using cryo-electron tomography. We capture at molecular resolution. We can then understand how the network is assembled. The aim of my research is to understand how actin and actin-related proteins work together. Because if we understand how specific architecture are done, then we can also tweak it in order to affect it in case of disease. Another goal is to actually establish cryo-electron tomography in the center and make it accessible to other groups.
Our unique environment brings in fact people together that would naturally not talk about their science directly to each other.
We have diverse interests in terms of technology, but also the focus of our research.
We have experts in bioengineering, in biomedical AI, in high-throughput biology, and a place that can collect all the excellence across so diverse fields is a unique opportunity.
So the Pioneer Campus is a dynamic environment. So the group composition changes, the groups themselves are only here temporary. The flexible modular lab spaces lie at the center of the building, surrounded by our open office plan. With this setup, we're hoping to facilitate exchange between the groups and allow for cross-pollination between different projects and ideas.
We really love the new building. It's new. It has that feeling of fresh start.
My team and I were very excited to move in the building because of the opportunity of closely working with wet lab groups. This is very rare.
I really like this interconnection with the stairs and this huge space, which is also great to think.
My favorite aspect is the transparency.
I really like the closeness of the lab space and the office space. I feel it creates a sense of community.
So I'm very curious to actually start exploring new things that I've never done.
The new Pioneer Campus will help us to attract the next generation of scientists.
We will see people interacting at every corner and discussing science.
The uniqueness of this place is really to develop new technology at the convergence.
Helmholtz has been extremely supportive, so for me it's really the one place to be.
Working at a place like the Pioneer Campus, it's really a dream come true.
I'm personally very proud that I have the opportunity to be part of this endeavor, and I'm convinced that this building, and particularly its scientists and its discoveries, will have a lasting impact on the global society.
Welcome to the Pioneer Campus.
Welcome to the Pioneer Campus.